Hey, John Martinez here, and I wanted to bring you a short video today, primarily to ask you a question. And that question is, are you experiencing the success that you want in your online business? Now, if you answered that question with a no, there could be a lot of reasons why you're not experiencing success or the results that you want. But invariably, what I find is that the primary reason is that your mindset is not correct. Mindset is spoken of a lot, especially if you're on my team or if you're in any of my private groups or if you're receiving private coaching or mentoring from me. I talk a lot about mindset, and any top earner that's on the internet talks about mindset. Look at Gary Vaynerchuk, look at Grant Cardone, Alex Becker, Ty Lopez. All of these guys talk about mindset as being the primary attribute as to why they have the success that they have. You have to completely make major shifts in this area if you want success in your online business or in life in general. Now, I know this isn't the first time that you're going to hear what I'm about to say, but you hear it said a lot, and that's that knowledge is power. And I disagree. Knowledge really isn't power, because if you don't act upon that knowledge, it's really worthless. You may as well not have taken in the material or obtained that knowledge in the first place if you don't do anything with it. Knowledge is only powerful when it's acted upon, when you implement the knowledge that you have. Then it becomes a very powerful tool. And once you have that, you will literally be unstoppable. So, reading the proper books on mindset and getting the right entrepreneurial mindset, that is first and foremost. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to encourage you right now to think about or take an inventory of what it is that you're currently taking in. What materials are you reading? Shoot me a comment, send me an email, send me a text message, and let me know. If you're not reading the right books, then you can probably not expect the results that you want. So shoot me a comment, send me, like I say, send me a message, a text, whatever you want. And if you need some recommendations, believe me, I've got a lot of recommendations on what you should be reading to help you in that area. So hopefully you got a little bit of value out of this short video I wanted to bring to you today. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.